to mention a couple of things before we get started. This is pretty rough here. It's pretty busted. So, according to everything I've read and watched, what we're going to have to do is grind this all the way down to where that crack disappears, or we either go through to the other side. But we've got to chase that crack as deep as it goes and for as long as it goes. And whatever we come out with, then we'll just have to go back and fix back in. It may be a bit of a challenge since it's right here on this corner, but I think we can do it. All right, I believe we've got all the bad spots out of it. Had to chase it all the way through, just like I knew I was going to have to. Now I'm going to have to go on the back side, and we'll sand out around it, get ready to start putting some fiberglass back in there. I don't know how it's going to look. It may take me some time to shape this. Well, I forgot to film it, but what we did is we went ahead and took some of the acetone and wiped down real good around the hole and everything. And once we got it clean, a good ways around it, we took the cardboard that you see there and we bent it, made it to where it's kind of roundish. And we took a hot glue gun and we put hot glue all the way around that hole, and then we stuck the cardboard to the glue. Now, the next thing we're going to have to do is get up under there and throw us some fiberglass back against that cardboard and make us something we can work with on the outside. But stick around and we'll show you what we're doing. Okay, we've went underneath it and put our fiberglass in, and this is what we've got now. We've got big dips here. Lots of sanding, but we made it really thick on the inside, so we shouldn't have any problems with sanding things down, getting them in basically the right shape. And we'll add us some sheets of fiberglass cloth on the outside, or the matting, whatever you call it, and I think we should be all right. Main thing is we just need to grind it back down and get ready for some more. Of course, I think we'll have to wait for just a few more minutes. It's not quite ready to sand yet. All right, we went back and sanded everything real good. Got it all knocked back down. We've got one little thin place right there, but I think once we put the fiberglass sheets on the outside here, I think we'll be just fine. Got a little high place right here I may have to do a little sanding on. But all in all, I think it looks really good. I think we just put some fiberglass sheets on there and we'll be off to the races. Alright, we went back and put us a few more layers of fiberglass here. It's looking much better. I think when we come out here next time, we'll be able to sand this back off. I think we'll be able to use a little bit of body filler just to touch up the rough places, and we'll be good to go on it, I do believe. I'm really excited to get all this sanding done. I'm ready to start painting this thing, ready to start priming. A lot closer than we have been, for sure. I'm not going to wear the goggles so much for eye protection as just to cover some of my forehead. Fiberglass like to eat me up the last time, which is why I'm wearing this paper suit. Absolutely horrible. I said absolutely horrible. Yeah, but that's okay. We can take the body filler. We'll be able to smooth that out pretty good.
It don't look bad.
Huh?
It don't look bad.
No, but it feels terrible. That's okay though. It's close enough. We'll get there. All right. Well, we've got that sanded off. We'll have to get it cleaned up, and then we'll put some Bondo on there and let that cure out, and hopefully that should do it. I think we put enough hardener in this time.